How to make image transparent in Word. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, here I have a simple text. Now go to Insert. Then go to Shapes. Simply draw a shape like this here. Now go to Format. After that, drag down this shape styles. Now you will get this interface. After that, in this format shape, go to Fill, drag this down, and then go to Picture or Texture Fill. Now you will get a picture, and you can also get it from your file. So here you will see this transparency option. Simply increase this and adjust it the way you want, and now your picture is transparent. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.